Hey there, I am Rijul and today we are going to learn about linked lists. So, what is a linked list? A linked list is a sequence of data structures which are connected together via links. It is a sequence of links which contains items. Each link contains a connection to another link. It can be visualized as a chain of nodes where every node points to the next node. It contains a link element called first or head. Each link carries a data value and a link field called next. Each link is linked with its next link using its next link. Last link carries a link as null to mark the end of the list. There are three types of linked lists. In simple linked list, item navigation is forward only. In doubly linked list, items can be navigated forward as well as backward. But in circular linked list, last item contains link of the first element as next and the first element has a link to the last element as previous. The different types of basic operations that can be performed on linked lists are as follows. Insertion adds an element at the beginning of the list. Deletion deletes an element at the beginning of the list. Display displays the complete list. And search searches an element using the given key. Last but not the least, delete deletes an element using the given key. Let's look at insertion of a new node in a linked list. Adding a new node in linked list is a more than one step activity. We shall learn this with diagrams here. First, create a node using the same structure and find the location where it has to be inserted. Imagine that we are inserting a new node, which is the new node between the left node and the right node. The new node's next should point to the right node, so it will look something like this. Now, the next node at the left should point to the new node. This will put the new node in the middle of the two. Similar steps should be taken if the node is being inserted at the beginning of the list. While inserting it at the end, the second last node of the list should point to the new node and the new node will point to null. Let's now look at deletion of a new node in a linked list. Deletion is also a more than one step process. We shall learn this with pictorial representation. First, locate the target node to be removed by using searching algorithms. The left or the previous node of the target node should now point to the next of the target node. This will look something like this. This will remove the link that was pointing to the target node. Now, using the following code, we will remove what the target node is pointing at. If we need to use the deleted node, we can keep that in memory. Otherwise, we can simply deallocate memory and wipe off the target node completely. The node has thus been deleted. Linked list is the second most used data structure after array. There are many real-life applications of linked lists. A few have been listed out here. In an image viewer, the previous and the next images are linked, hence can be accessed by next and previous buttons. We can access the previous and next URL in a web browser by pressing back and next button since they are linked as a linked list. In a music player, songs are linked to previous and next song. You can play songs either from the starting or the ending of the list. Thank you.